Hey guys, Hunter here. My second video, I don't know if you checked out my first video, but my first video was video of my dog, which is really lazy. And today we are doing a cool, awesome car that I got. Sorry, it's just that I know I put it on the table because I don't have anyone to hold the camera. Shit. Oh. Okay, so I got the line ready and set up. Now what you want to do is, you see this vehicle, you have to click on this button. There's a button right here. Click on it. Hold on. Pull it back. So you can see it's kind of farther. And then what you want to do is put your vehicle in, and then push that back in, and then, that's not how it was supposed to go. Ooh, I gotta make someone hold the camera. Mom, can you come here for a second? Come here. Okay, have my mom come here. Mom, can you be my camera holder? I can't hold it because I have to hold the car. Okay, so just...
To się nagrywa cały czas?
Don't speak person. So when I'm gonna let it go, it's gonna go on this line. So record it on the line too. Something has to be tight back here. It has to be tight. Can you bring me a chair? Chair would be better. Chair. Da-da-dum. Oh my God! By this time it should be better.